in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Lupit, pinatikan na sa Benaogo ng timaan sa itong Ginoo sa iyang presensya. Sa panahon sa itong mga kaluya, sa atong mga kalibog, sa Ginoo ta kita budangop ug dili sa dautan nga mga buhat, dili sa hubog-hubog, dili sa inom, dili sa kasuko. Atong pangayon kanunay nga sa tanan atong mga lakang ang lamdag sa Ginoo yung atong subayon. Kung karon magampo kita samahan sa mga pulong gitudlo kanato ni Jesucristo, amahan namo kanata sa langit, pagdaygon ng imong ngalan, muabot ka namong imong giharian, matuman ng imong pagbuot dinhi sa yuta maingon sa langit. Ang kalanon namo sa matag adlaw, yatag ka namo karong adlaw, pasayloan kami sa among mga sala. Ingon nga pasaylo kami sa nakasala kanamo, dili mo kami tugyan sa kanulay, inunuan mo sa kami sa yuta. Sama niya itong nitabo dito sa kana diin ang bagong kasalhudan sa Bino. Gunangop kita ang Santa Maria sa iyang panabang sa ato usab mga kakulang o mga kabalaka. Mingon kita magimaya ka Maria na puno ka sa grasya. Ang Ginoong Dios na naa kanimo. Bulahan ikaw sa mga babae nga tanan. Bulahan mo sa mahal nga bunga sa tiyan mo si Jesus. Santa Maria, inahan ka sa Diyos, igampo mo kami makasasala, karon sa oras sa mga kamatay. Amen. Ang Ginoo manaa kaninyo, manalangin kaninyo ang atong makakagawang ng Diyos. Ang Amahan, ang Anak, ug ang Espiritu Santo.
Pampanga. He took up the Rhode Island history. Prior to his resignation as the Commander Naval Reserve Center Southern Luzon, he also occupied various positions both afloat and ashore. In recognition of his outstanding performance in the field of surface warfare, gentlemen, please join us on the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. Round of applause. As this matter is unveiled, we extend as a lasting reminder.
Distinguished guests, senior officer, reservists, enlisted personnel, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Naval Research Center, Western Mindanao, it is the great honor and respect that I extend a warm welcome to everyone present this significant occasion, the inauguration of newly installed headquarters, 6 Toppers Naval Squadron Reserve in 9 Presican Marine Company Reserve. Today, event marks an important milestone and reflect the collective efforts, discipline, and commitment to all who contribute the realization of this undertaking. This inauguration stands as a symbol of readiness, service, and continuing dedication to duty and mission. We respectfully acknowledge and express our profound gratitude for the presence of Captain Wendell Boy G. Buntag, Philippine Navy General Staff Course, Commander Naval Research Center, Western Mindanao. Sir, your leadership, guidance, and support are deeply appreciated and serve as an inspiration to all officers and enlisted personnel present. We likewise extend our sincere application to Dr. Norman H. Bantog, PhD, Chief Master at Arms of 6 Troopers, Naval Squadron Reserve in 932nd Marine Company Reserve. Sir, your dedication to discipline, excellence, and service exemplifies the core values of our organization. It is an honor to acknowledge. We also convey our thanks to all senior officers, reservists, enlisted personnel, partners, stakeholders, and inviting guests who contribute to support our mission and objective. As we move forward from this integration, we may remain steadfast in our commitment to integrity, professionalism, unity, and service to the country. May this new facility program further strengthen our capability to fulfill our duties with honor and distinction. Once again, distinguished guests, thank you for gracing this occasion. Welcome and mabuhay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. To give us an overview of the significance and history of this structure, may we call on Theodore Norman Bantog, Philippine Navy Reserve, Chief Master at Arms, 6 Troopers, NSR, to deliver the background and history of the building and to introduce our distinguished keynote speaker. Sir?
Good morning, everyone. The background of this building facility, actually, matagal na namin itong pasalamat din kami kay Captain Phil at saka kay sa Barangay Captain Representative sa Barangay San Antonio, no, na nabigyan kami dito ng pwesto para sa aming headquarters ng Naval Reserve Command ng Misamis Occidental. So, ito muna yung namin na yung prefab kasi ito naman kasanayan ng mga ginagawa sa mga military headquarters, even though sa mga PNP at saka sa ibang mga military, no? So, ito ang ginawa namin, ma'am. Pasalamat din kami na nandito ang representative from the local government ni Mayor Norman Fuentes, ma'am, attorney. Thank you. So, to introduce our keynote speaker, it is an honor to welcome you to the inauguration of the headquarters of 601st Naval Squadron Reserve and 932nd Marine Company Reserve. Our keynote speaker is a Captain Wendell Boy Zamora Buntag, Philippine Navy General Staff Corps, Commander Naval Reserve Center, Western Mindanao. His leadership and dedication continue to strengthen our naval reservists, continue to our nation defense, fostering capable, disciplined, and mission-ready force while building strong community partnership. Captain Buntag professionalism and commitment to duty reflect and values these new headquarters represent readiness, unity, and service. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Captain Wendell Boy Z. Buntag, Philippine Navy General Staff Corps in Alton, Western Mindanao. Please take seats. Thank
Thank you very much, Theodore Norman Bantog, sir. Makaga go-wonder mo why he is wearing a marine uniform and his rank is PO3rd. So, he is applying for change of service sa Marines. So, later on, in advance na ni Sir, pagsuot ng uniform ng Marines. But, anyway, first of all, I would like to greet the following personalities present, representing the Mayor of Osamis, Attorney Buen Cassandra Libertario, the City Legal Osamis City. Palakpakan natin. Thank you for coming up. We have also here the key player of this facility, because they were the ones who donated the land for this facility to be constructed. The Barangay San Antonio, Barangay Captain of San Rosque Piel, si Barangay Captain Rosque Piel. Ano siya? Barangay Doña Consuelo. Okay. Doña Consuelo. Then, the other barangay represented by Kagawad Nolan Labidisos. Sir, thank you. We have also Major Aklo from the Philippine Army, the camp commander of Camp Dominguez. Thank you for coming. We have also Captain Fernando Bayugo of the Philippine Army. The Security Intelligence Service of the CAAP, Ms. Sara May Avenido. Ma'am, thank you. Representing the Philippine Coast Guard, Ensign Renel Sumalpo. Ito yung mga nandito. We have the PNP, the Maritime Police, represented by, or he is the Station Chief, Police Major Joel Esik. From the Fire Department, we have SF-04 Antonio Umadhay. From the Port Police, PO3 Irichal Zamora. So my middle name is Zamora. Then we have also here former servant of the Philippine Army. He is a member of the Standby Reserve of the Philippine Army, retired Colonel Cahigas. So, thank you. Then, we have here in front yung officer ng 93 Marine Company Reserve in the person of First Lieutenant Largo. Then I have also with me from Zamboanga, the admin officer of NRCN Western Mindanao, the Ensign Carlo Teada. And the main man of this activity, the one who worked hard for this facility to be constructed, we have Theodore Norman Bantog. Then I have also here the regular personnel, stay in sa school kasi he is also a training staff of the MIT. We have staff, Technical Sergeant Chen Pesao. So, una sa tanan, ko'y kuan sa inyo sa pasalamat nga nag-attend mo karong adlaw and for this facility to be constructed. This will become part of the Philippine Navy stations and camps later on kasi ibubuk na ito siya sa Philippine Navy. But right now, nakapangalan sa resolution lang muna yung mga leaders dito sa reserve units and of course from the barangay. So, sa inyong lahat, good morning. It is a privilege and a great honor to stand before you today as we inaugurate this newly constructed headquarters of the 621st Naval Squadron Reserve and the 932nd Marine Company Reserve here in Barangay Doña Consuelo. Nasa boundary kasi siya. Doña Consuelo and Barangay San Antonio here in Osamis City. This occasion is more than the opening of a building. It is strengthening of our shared commitment to service, readiness, and national security. This headquarters stands as a symbol of preparedness and unity. It represents a place where discipline is sharpened, leadership is forged, and the spirit of volunteer service is continually renewed. For our members of the Reserve Force, this facility will be a home, one that nurtures training, coordination, and swift response in times of need. For the community, it is a visible assurance that capable and dedicated protectors stand ready not only in times of conflict but also in times of calamity and peace building. I am particularly happy and encouraged to witness the untiring efforts and remarkable innovations of our reserve units here in Osamis City. Your adaptability, creativity, and commitment demonstrate that reservists are not merely a support force, but a vital and dynamic pillar of our national defense and local resilience. You have shown that with limited resources but unlimited dedication, excellence is always possible. Allow me to extend my deepest gratitude to the barangay officials of Doña Consuelo and San Antonio, whose cooperation, trust, and support made this project possible. Your partnership proves that strong communities are built when civilian leadership and the military work hand in hand. I also sincerely thank the local government unit of Osamis City, led by the mayor and represented by Attorney Libertario Pham, whose steadfast backing and vision for peace, safety, and development continue to uplift initiatives such as this. My appreciation likewise goes to our steadfast partners in uniform. We have here the Philippine Coast Guard, the Philippine Army, the Philippine National Police, and the Bureau of Fire. Your constant coordination and shared commitment to public safety exemplify inter-service unity and professionalism. Together, you form a strong shield that safeguards our people and our sovereignty. I would also like to give special recognition and heartfelt appreciation to the sterling leadership initiatives of Lieutenant Largo, Major Gonce, and of course, P.O. Panto. Your guidance, dedication, and hands-on leadership were instrumental in turning this vision into reality. You have set a standard of service that inspires not only those under your command, but also the wider community you serve. To the officers and the members of the Reserve Force of the 621st Naval Squadron Reserve and the 932nd Marine Company Reserve, I salute you. Your willingness to serve, balancing civilian lives with military responsibility, is a powerful testament to patriotism. May this new headquarters strengthen your resolve, enhance your capabilities, and remind you daily that your service matters deeply to the nation and to the people of Osamis City. As we formally open these facilities today, may they stand as enduring symbols of unity, preparedness, and service above self. May they continue to foster cooperation among our forces and our communities. And may they contribute to lasting peace, security, and progress for Osamis City and beyond. Congratulations on this milestone, and thank you for all your unwavering service and support. I would also like to thank my personnel, si Technical Sergeant Pesao, who also worked hard to compose the arrival honors and all the preparations made here for this occasion. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang kawal ng Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Osamis City, mabuhay ang Philippine Navy. Thank you and good morning sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and meaningful message.